In a world where the past meets the future, no one anticipated how far evolution would take these ancient creatures. Dinosaurs, brought back to life by science, have surprised researchers across the globe. But something has changed. These dinosaurs are no longer the creatures we once thought we understood. Scientists predicted that these resurrected species would simply readapt to the Earth's modern ecosystems. For years, they believed dinosaurs would behave much like their prehistoric ancestors. But these creatures had other plans. Unexpected behaviors began to emerge. Dinosaurs began showing signs of intelligence far beyond what science thought possible. It started small. At first, we noticed the velociraptors forming more complex hunting strategies. But it wasn't just instinct, it was planning, adaptation. At first, these signs were dismissed as anomalies, perhaps quirks of their genetic resurrection. But then, the evidence grew. Across various species, from the largest herbivores to the fiercest predators, dinosaurs began to display abilities no one could have predicted. The Triceratops started to organize in defense formations against apex predators. Pterodactyls were seen using their talons to carry heavy objects to fortify their nests. Dr. Mara, it was as if they were learning from each other. The more they observed their surroundings, the more they adapted in ways that mirrored human-like intelligence. Evolution was accelerating. The dinosaurs were no longer bound by the limits of their ancient DNA. They began using tools, sticks, stones, and even early signs of constructing shelters. Scientist, #2. We witnessed something that should have been impossible. Dinosaurs using tools in ways that predated even early human behavior. Visuals of scientists in a conference sharing shocking data with a worldwide audience. The scientific community was forced to confront a new reality. The genetic resurrection of dinosaurs had triggered an unforeseen consequence: rapid evolution. No one could predict how far this would go, or what the final outcome would be. Cut to a visual of Dr. Mara standing in front of a global audience, presenting startling discoveries. Dr. Mara, this is no longer about simple genetics. We've unlocked something far more powerful than we imagined. An evolutionary leap, one that may rival our own human intelligence. Visuals of dinosaurs now displaying intelligence and teamwork, forming their own ecosystem. As human scientists, watch from afar with a mix of awe and fear. The world watches as these new species continue to evolve. What was once thought impossible is now a reality where dinosaurs could one day challenge us for dominance on Earth. Cut to black. The sound of a distant, haunting dinosaur roar. The question is, will we be ready for what comes next?